Hey everyone! Want to read Facebook Messenger messages without the sender knowing? Whether you're just curious or need a little privacy, there are a few simple tricks you can use to read messages without triggering the seen notification. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 easy methods to do just that. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Use airplane mode. When you receive a new message, don't open it right away. Turn on airplane mode on your phone. Open the Messenger app and read the message. Once you've finished reading, close the app completely. Remove it from recent apps. Then turn airplane mode off. This method prevents Messenger from sending the read receipt. Method 2. Mark as unread. After reading the messages, go back to your chat list. Long press on the contact or conversation. A menu will pop up. Select Mark as unread. This will remove the read receipt for the other person, but it resets the conversation on your end as if you haven't seen it yet. This is more for your personal reference, but can be useful for keeping track of unread messages. Method 3. Turn off read receipts. Open the Messenger app. Tap the menu at the bottom right corner. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll again and select Read Receipts. Toggle it off. With this option turned off, people won't be able to see if you read their messages. And that's it. Those are the 3 ways you can read Messenger messages without letting the sender know. Let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Messenger tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.